Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all healthy and hearty. Due to coronavirus, you cannot come your school. So, I am taking your classes online. Today, I teach you English first paper, English for today. My dear students of Class 7 of Khuliraman Girls High School, today I will teach you English first paper, English for today. Everyone open your English first paper book. Today's our lesson's name is Kobita's Village. Today our lesson's name is Kobita's Village, Unit 8, Lesson 2. Okay, let's start reading. The name of Kobita's village is Sundarpur. It is a small village on the bank of the river Kalini. The beautiful river flows through the village. There are one high school, 3 primary schools and 1 vocational training center in this village. Kobita and her friends learn computer at this center. There is a theatre club and a small library too. Kobita can borrow books from the library. She borrows books on history, poetry and children's classics. The theatre club stages plays regularly. Last month, Kobita enjoyed the Mohua Dama dance performed by the theatre club. The village has a bazaar on the riverside. This is a very noisy and dirty place. Kobita never goes to the bazaar. The village roads are also narrow and dirty. Although there is electricity in Sundarpur, the villagers experience frequent load shedding in summer. Okay, I finished my reading. My dear students, now I give you some vocabulary from your text. Okay, please note down on your khata. I give you some vocabulary. Our first word is stage. Our first word is stage. S-T-A-G-E. Stage. Stage means mons or natomons. You can say any one, mons or natomons. And our synonym word is dice. D-A-I-S. Okay. Our second word is road. R-O-A-D. Road. Road means rasta and the synonym word is way. W-A-Y. Way. Okay. Our next word is small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Small means choto. Small means choto and the synonym word is short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Okay, I hope you are writing. Now our next word is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Beautiful means sundar. Beautiful. The Bengali meaning of beautiful is sundar and the synonym word is attractive. A-T-T-R-A-C-T-I-V-E. Attractive. And our last word is enjoy. E-N-G-J-O-Y. Enjoy. Enjoy means upabhog kora and the synonym word is delight. D-E-L-I-G-H-T. Delight. I repeat the words again. Estes means mons or natomons and the synonym word is dice. Our second word is road and the Bangla meaning of road is rasta and the synonym word is way. And our next word is small. A small means choto and the synonym word of small is short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Okay. Our next word is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. Beautiful means sundar, and the synonym word of beautiful is attractive. A-T-T-R-A-C-T-I-V, attractive. And our last word is enjoy, E-N-J-O-Y, enjoy. Enjoy means উপভোগ করা, and the synonym word is delight, D-E-L-I-G-H-T, delight. Okay, I hope you all finished your writing. Now I'll give you some questions. The name of first question is answer the following question. Our first question name is answer the following question. Please everyone note down in your khata. Our first question is, what's the name of Kobita's village? Kobitar gramer naam ki? I hope you all know the answer. It is very easy. The name of Kobita's village is Sundarpur. Sundarpur. I hope you will give the answer. And our second question is, where does Kobita take computer training? Where does Kobita take computer training? কোথা থেকে সে কম্পিউটার প্রশিক্ষণ নেয়? Kobita takes computer training from a vocational training center. I repeat the answer again. Kobita takes computer training from a vocational training center. Everyone please note down in your khata. Okay, my dear students, now I am going to the question number 3, and the question is, where does Kobita borrow books? Where does Kobita borrow books? Kobita কোথা থেকে বই ধার করে বা কবিতা কোথা থেকে বই নেয়? Kobita borrows books from library. It's very easy question, you all know, and the answer is Kobita borrows books from library. Okay, our next question is, what the village roads to see? গ্রামের সড়কগুলো দেখতে কেমন বা কি রকম? The village roads are narrow and dirty. The village roads are narrow and dirty. Okay, now I am going to our last question, and our question name is, how many high school in her village? How many high school in her village? কতগুলো হাই স্কুল আছে কবিতার গ্রামে? There are one high school in her village. কবিতার গ্রামে একটি মাত্র হাই স্কুল রয়েছে. I hope you have completed your writing. I hope you all completed the question and the answer. Now I am giving you a fill in the gaps. Our next question name is fill in the gaps, and I give a text from your book. Please everyone note down in your khata. I read the text. Whatever I am writing on the board. The name of Kobita's dash is Sundarpur. The name of Kobita's dash is Sundarpur. It is situated on the dash of river Kalini. I repeat the line again. It is situated on the dash of river Kalini. In her village, there is a dash club and a small library. In her village, there is a dash club and a small library. Kobita can borrow books from dash. Kobita can borrow books from the dash. Okay. The roads of the village are dash and dirty. Our last line is the roads of the village are dash and dirty. My dear students, I hope you all know the answer. Now I help you to give the answer. The name of Kobita's village. Our first answer name is village. The name of Kobita's village is Sundarpur. It is situated on the dash of river Kalini. It is situated on the bank. Kalini Nodi tire obostito. It is situated on the bank of river Kalini. In her village there is a dash club, a theatre club and a small library. Kobita can borrow books from the library. Our phone number answer is library. The roads of the village are narrow and dirty. Okay, I hope you all finished your writings, and thank you everyone to join my online class. Stay happy, stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone.